requirements of the curriculum as approved by the Board of Regents, and therefore they are eligible for graduation. I respectfully recommend, therefore, that they be conferred their respective degrees and shall be entitled to all the rights and privileges, as well as the duties and responsibilities appertaining thereto.
By virtue of the powers vested in me by the Board of Regents of the Western Mindanao State University and by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby recognize, accept, and pronounce you graduates of your respective degrees, and with that, the conferment upon you with all the rights, duties, and responsibilities, and as well as privileges appertaining to your respective degrees. Congratulations, everybody. And collectively, we are the change that this world needs to do. Sacred text from Ephraim G. Peña Florida, Jr. or Kuya F., our speaker this